Hi, today I'm going to be showing you a few tips on the iPhone, tips and tricks that you may not know. These are all tips that I have shown my friends and family and they were like shocked. They did not know these things. So it's possible that you may not know them either. And if you do know all of them, great job. You're an intellectual. Congrats, I'm proud of you. But these are just tips that some people might not know. So let's get started. Personally, I like a lot of games on my phone, but all of those games have a lot of ads, a lot of pop-up ads that pop up every time you're trying to do something. So what I do is before I open the app, I go ahead and I turn on airplane mode. It doesn't use your data, it's on airplane mode obviously, and then there's no ads. So this works especially good for those games that have a lot of ads and you don't feel like paying to get rid of the ads. That tip is only for games that don't require Wi-Fi. Yeah. Second tip is to screenshot with one or more clicks. So what I do is I enable guided access, and what I do is I go into the settings of guided access and I adjust the features. So like I change what one tap does, what two taps does, what three, or a long press or 3D touch or whatever you want. And just go ahead and pick one of those and then select it as a screenshot. So whenever you're trying to take a screenshot, you just bring over your guided access, wherever it is, tap it once, twice, 3 times, whatever you pick. And you don't have to just set it as screenshot. You can set it as raise the volume, lower volume, turn off the phone, whatever. The third tip is to be able to select multiple pictures in a row in your photo album. So basically all you have to do is go into the photos you want, click, and you just drag it down as far as you want and it selects all the pictures for you at once. The fourth tip is to be able to use effects on your text messages, and this is like this came in like a really old update, so I think most people know how to do this, but still. So all you have to do is go into your text messages, type in the message that you want to send, press and hold on the blue, or I'm pretty sure it's only blue because it's only an iMessage, and you just press and hold on it and a bunch of things come up and you can edit the text, or you can go over to the other tab and you can edit the whole screen. So when you send the text message, the whole screen will kind of light up with that thing. And already some iMessages and already do this, such as if you say happy birthday or congratulations or whatever, they already do that. So in case you wanted to know how to do that with your own custom text messages, that's how you do it. The fifth tip is to be able to just press and hold on any key in the keyboard, whether it be space, it be a letter, it be whatever. You just drag it around. And what that does, it just automatically acts as like this touchpad kind of thing, and it selects where you want, and that is really helpful. The sixth tip or trick is how to turn a live photo into either a loop, a bounce, or a long exposure picture. Make sure the live photo thing is enabled if it is a live photo, and then all you have to do is swipe up and then it has all the different kinds and you pick it. Something that I do have to warn you about is the quality sometimes does get lower, but usually it's really cool to have a little loop or whatever. And the last one is how to hide notes and pictures, and these are both different things, but I just clumped them into one category. You hide notes by going into your note, and there's a little button at the top. You click that, you click the lock, and if it asks you to set a password, go ahead, do that, and then it's locked, and you can log as many notes as you want, and to be able to get into them, you have to enter your password, so it's really useful. And to be able to hide pictures, it's kind of different. You go into your picture, you click the little tab that I'm about to show you, and you press hidden or something like that, and then it hides it. And then there's a little album called hidden that is just there, and you can go through them. It's not the most hidden, there's no password or whatever, but it's still hidden from your average photo album, swiping left and right and stuff. Those are all the tips and tricks I have for you guys today. So if you enjoyed or if you learned something new, make sure to leave a like. I hope you did learn something new. If you didn't, well, must be nice to be smart or whatever. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.